Kate Valeriano here, CEO President of KRT Dynasty Milk Tea Corporation. I would like us to welcome our newest franchisee here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, none other than the Balucos family.
Purpose namin for this concept of business po is kami po sa family namin, we like drinking coffee, milk tea, and that kind po of merienda para po sa amin. And then naisip namin na why not mag-invest sa business na love din namin yung mga ititinda namin. Ang advantage po siguro natin here is makakapag-benta tayo ng milk tea not just here in Puerto Princesa but also in other municipalities like Quezon, Nara, and other parts of Palawan. Ang nakatulong po talaga is natutunan po namin ng maayos yung pag-manage ng isang ganitong business, which is hindi rin po ganun kadali kasi nga po maraming may maintenance like that, and the cart help us to get our goal na kumita and mapalago yung in-invest namin.
At kung sa tingin mo magandang location mo at gusto mong magsimula ng mobile coffee and milk tea business, i-message mo lang ang aming page at open kami for franchise. At may free masterclass kami para matutunan mo paano mag-operate nito and to know if this is the right business for you.